Hey everyone, my name is Jennifer. I'm currently in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Got introduced to Forex about 3 months ago, and at that time I was completely lost. The market was like Chinese to me. I didn't understand. Started studying because I really wanted to learn the skill set. I even went to a training event and I still couldn't get a grasp of it. At that time I was still making money, but it was through other signals from different traders. I couldn't trade on my own. I was only relying on signals from just everyone else but myself. And it's cool to make money, but it's not really so cool when you're relying on others to make money for you. And then you get that bad pair where it's like it's going down south and you don't even know why. You can't read the market. So at that point, I really wanted to learn how to trade. So I found out about Philip's training class and went to his class, and it's been such a life-changing result. Philip is such a phenomenal instructor. He teaches very clearly. He makes sure that you really understand the content. He breaks everything down so simple to you, and you can really tell that he's passionate in what he does. And I truly thank him for that, because before I was not trading on my own. My confidence was very low. After his class, I only do my trades and 90% of them take profit. So thank you so much, Philip, and let's get it. Woo.